Hi! Hi!
Kami dun sa ano?
Hi!
Sa Kawayan.
Ito. First day ng Lantern Parade practice. It's our third year.
Meeting lang.
Meeting lang. Ang ganda ko naman dito.
Excited.
Picture na tayo.
Ginawin din sir.
Hanggang 7 PM yun.
Rhea.
Practice natin.
Punta ko naman dyan.
8 AM to 7 PM.
Hi guys! Day 2 of our meeting. First day of our practice. Parang may something ako. Dagdagan kami. With the whole M&M. We're now with the drummers and the liars. Liars. Pangilang day na to?
3 days.
Third day of practice.
Alam ba't ganyan damit ko?
Okay guys. Currently we are going to jog. Pero we have reason to not.
Joke lang yun, Kadi.
Joke lang
Meron
yan.
ako, bawal mag-jog.
Pero ako kakatapos ko.
Ano to pa rin?
Hi guys, fourth day of our Lantern Parade practice. And we started a bit earlier today. We started at 9:30 or 9:45 pala. We did some stretching and jogging. We're gonna start our practice now. Hi!
Nilista ni Ma'am. Tanungin nila kung sino talaga yung sasali. Kailangan makalaman.
Good morning! Fifth day.
Hi!
Rhea. Ano Rhea?
Ayaw ko maniwala sa
Ayaw ko maniwala. Yung mga nag-jog na yan, lahat can be. Hi guys, it's the afternoon of our fifth day practicing the Lantern Parade.
Ito yung muse.
Oh, slay.
Oh, yan yung muse.
Yeah, and what time is it?
It's already
Ready for 07.
Yoju pala,
Yoju.
Agosan, Yoju.
Salamat sa pakain, Astra.
Ni
Hi Sir Dax, kung nanonood dyan.
Baka naman, Sir Dax, maalala mo. Maalaala mo kaya.
Isaw.
Gutom na kami. Ewan ko, pero kakain lang dahil
Sir, ano na lang kami? Ilibre mo na lang kami sa Samji.
Gusto ko wings. I want wings.
Pero ano tayo yung sa'yo?
Sabi niya nga gusto niya daw mag-Samji after ng ano.
I-record nyo nga.
So ayun guys. Yun lang. Gutom lang kami. Pero tapos na kami mag-practice. A bit of polishing.
Wala pa tayo steps.
Wala kaming steps pa sa March.
But we'll get through that.
But yeah, we'll get through that. Yun lang.
Hindi, ngayon na. Dito na kami.
Thank you!
Salamat po sa ayuda.
Yeah.
Hi, Nati. Picturean natin. Picturean mo.
First knock! thankful for the blessing.
Tapos expired na. Kinain na talaga, gutom na ako guys.
Pag gutom kami ngayong lantern parade! Ano ba yan? But anyhow, that's fine. Let's eat it. This is my favorite thing.
Bye-bye.
Ito na yung iba. Wala na extra movement dapat nakapunta na sa formation. Sa right side, tapos ipo-forky na yan doon para papasok na lang kayo ulit.
Dahil late kami, 5 blocks yung gagawin namin around the oval to jog.
Jogging ha. Okay.
Kasi ka rin.
Makikiracing ka lang natin.
Ano pa ang aming morning jog? Hi guys! This is the 6th day and finally, kompleto na kaming 100 lantern bearers.
Sir, baka naman. Nasaan na yung pa-deliver mo?
Jogged alone. Today is another day.
Pwede pa adjust.
And finally, hawak na namin yung aming lanterns.
Ay, yung
Sana! Stolen? So nice. It's so cute, but it's heavy. Like, I think, 3 kilos or more.
May group ba o lahat?
Kamusta yung pagbuhat ng fruits? Ano, ang sakit na ng palad ko.
Kaya ko pa naman.
Angel, kaya ba?
Pero okay lang kasi sama dib and
Slay. Ang bigat niya. So, review after siguro mga 2 minutes na hawak namin yung lantern sumasayaw. Parang kalagitnaan nung gumagana na tayo. Sumuko na kami kasi ang bigat niya. Sakit siya sa kamay. Hindi lang siya 3 kilos. Oo. I think 5 kilos siya. Ang bigat kasi it's pure bakal. Rawr! Deserve namin yung treat ni Sir Dax mamaya. Yay! Thank you, Sir Dax. Binigyan niyo kami ng burger and fries! Wow!
Mainggit kayo.
Grabe, mahal na mahal kami ni Sir. Thank you, Sir!
Hindi pag yung sobra sa atin na yun, pagkakita.
Thank you, Sir! Snacks! Ato.
Tig isa-isa?
Good morning, guys. It's our last day. Last jog.
Ay, ako ba yan?
Last jog na ba to?
Hindi. Joke lang. Bukas hindi na.
Yay! Go! Finally, this is our last day practicing the lantern parade. It's November 30. Chanan! This is our food. Chanan! Hi guys, done lunch. Thank you for the food. Rate nyo, how's the lunch?
5 out of 10.
0/0.
Masarap siya, kulang.
Ay, 0/100.
Masarap siya, pero kulang.
Bakit isa lang ulam?
Do yun lang, isa lang yung ulam. Ang dami namang ulam pero isa lang, pero 2 kanin.
Parang yung inulam ko lang toyo.
Ano parang pagkain ng
Pagkain ng preso.
Ay, hindi. Mas maayos pa yung pagkain ng mga preso kaysa sa...
Uy, may gulay kasi yun. Kompleto.
Yung ayaw nga.
Sana sinamahan nila ng gulay.
Daming reklamo. Daming reklamo. We all had sisig except for Karil who had chicken.
Parang, ano tawag doon? Parang puro balat lang yun, walang karne.
Oo, puro lang sa balat. Ng crunchy.
natin sila ng dry sisig energy.
Yesterday binigyan namin sila ng Skyflex, Skyflex or Ribisco energy. Ngayon bibigyan namin sila ng dry sisig energy.
Tapos pakain sa may pitik na yung dalaw.
Ibang pitik.
Na-expect pa naman nila na ang lalamya daw kasi namin kanina. So, pinakain muna kami. So, pagbalik daw doon, kailangan hindi na kami malamya.
Tapos pag walang energy, isusubo yung lantern tayo.
Ayun lang, we're heading to Oval Cafe. Charot, cafeteria.
Kasi nakakasawa.
Kasi nakakaumay.
Nakakaumay yung...
Aside from its kulang din siya sa sibuyas.
Oo, kulang din
To
siya
complement.
Parang yung sibuyas nila, tinipid.
Oo, super nipis.
Mahaba.
Guys, ngayon lang kami magreklamo. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi libre. Kasi kapag binabayaran namin, okay lang naman. Ayun lang. We're heading to Oval Cafeteria to get some dessert or any candy. True. Thankful for the blessing. Magic for our snack today. It's sponsored by M. Wyson Skyflex. Gato. Alika na! It's our last day. Nandito kami sa Melvin. We're gonna practice here. Our blockings and spacings. 6:30. Our schedule is 6:30. Something. 6 o'clock or 6:30.
Okay. Yan.
Back from the Oval. Tracing right now. They're doing the Madeline thing. We're at the lobby. It's currently 7:48 or 7:50 pa. Almost there. It's a matter of training. Ganda guys. Wow. Hi guys. It's D-Day. It's D-Day. It's final D-Day. It's final December 1, 2024. It's the Lantern Parade. And currently it's read it. It's 11:50.
It's quarter to 12.
No, it's 11:50. It's 11:50 on the clock and we're practicing right now with our marching. And our call time earlier was 9 a.m. We bought our own gloves pala. Para
Walang sponsor yan.
yeah, it's not sponsored. We both our own. It's our shirt with the logo of the SLU.
Tada!
Let's go guys. Ayun guys, we haven't had breakfast yet. Last year and last year we had our breakfast.
Diba magpa-errand ng dietag sa
Pero ngayon, wala kaming breakfast. Any snacks, wala dun. So, ayun. Ay, we're so poor.
Gugutom na ako.
Nabawi siya sa lantern namin kasi each lantern costs 2,500 because the total is 75,000 for 30 lanterns.
Bawas daw.
Binutas lang ni Rhea.
Guys, someone's holding my lantern. That's Marshall. We'll get back to you later when may lunch na kami. Bye!
So, umiinom. Ay.
Low budget. Wala kaming baso. Here's our final lunch, guys. I'm not final lunch, pero final day. And we have an apple. And we have juice.
Asan na si Karin?
Get ready with us, lantern bag. Uy, Rhea, I remember nung first year tayo, ikaw din nag-ayos na hair ko. Kasi di pa tayo close nun.
Web ba?
Oo! May video ako. Kasi nasa isang phone ko. Doon. Here's our hair. Thanks, Rhea. Kaya. We're about to go. Yes. See you. See you at the lantern parade. It's 6:50. We're currently waiting for the fireworks. And then we're gonna start with our lantern parade. Let's try. Uy, may flash on. Thank you po. That's from Saya. Thank you so much. Can I have a bite? Hindi pa tapos yung 5 minutes.